In this chapter, we are going to discuss conversion of unit from one unit to another. Word problem on measuring units: temperature, time, length, weight, capacity and money. So let's start with questions. Question 1 is express 3 into 4 by 5 hours in minute. Look, how many hours in a minute? How many minutes in an hour? That is 60 minute equal to 1 hour. Okay. So here we have how many hours? That is 3 into 4 by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 4 19 by 5 hour we have here. Okay. And we have to change in minutes. So here 1 minute in a hour, that is 60 minutes here. So we will multiply it by 60. Then we will change this hour into minutes. Okay. So here 5 ones are 5. 12 fives are 60. So 19 into 12, that is 19 into 12. 19 twos are 38. 19 again here. This is 8. 9 3 12. 1 2 2 8. 222 minutes are the right answer here for this hour. Okay, this hour is 19 by 5 hour. Okay, so A is right answer. Next is what thermometer does the given temperature shows. Look at this thermometer. It is between 14 and 15, and in between 14 and 50 you can see there are 5 lines, small 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5. Do you know what is the meaning of this line? Actually one here देखो, it should be 10 lines, but now it is given 5 lines. It means one line stand for 2 unit. Okay, it is for 2 unit. So here 2, here 4, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8 and this is 10. It means here if it is here 4.2 or you can say 42, 44, 46, 48 and then 50. Okay, so here 42, 44 and this one is 46. You can see that. So 46 degrees Celsius is the temperature in this thermometer. You can see that here it is also degree Celsius unit. So we will take degree Celsius. Okay, not Fahrenheit. So A is right answer here. Next, if PQQ is equal to 48 kg. Okay, then double P is equal to 24 kg. Then which of the following option is true? Let's P is heavier than Q. Look, double P weight is 24 kg. Okay, so how much let's check the weight first. 2P is equal to 24 kg. So 1P 24 by 2. Obviously we will half this value. So it is 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12 twos are 24. So 1P is equal to 12. So we will put this value here. 12 plus Q is equal to 48. So here we will subtract first 12 from here and here it is 2Q. Okay, 2 times Q, so we will take 2Q. 48 minus 12, we will subtract the value, then we will get 2Q value. That is 6 and 36. And 2Q is equal to 36. So 1Q is equal to, check it here, Q is equal to, we will half it. Okay, so 36 by 2, that is 18. It means Q value is 18 kg and P value is 12 kg. Okay, it is 12. So P is heavier than Q? No, P is lighter than Q. P is 12 kg but Q is 18 kg. So Q is heavier. First one is wrong. Q is heavier than P. Yes, this is right. Q is heavier than P because it is 18 kg and it is 12. P and Q are equal weights. No, Q is heavier. None of these. No, because Q is heavier. B is the right answer here. 4 is how long did Mohit drive the car? How long did Mohit drive the car? Look, in this watch time is 9:45 and in this it is 6:25. Okay, so let's check what is the hour here. 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, 1:45, 2:45, 3:45, 4:45 and then 5:45. We cannot take more than 5:45 because here say at 6:25 he has been stopped. So let's check R first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So total he has been spent 8 hours. Okay, now minutes. Now 5:45 to 6:25. we have to check the minutes. So 5:45 to 6, it is 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it will be 6, and here it is 6:25. So 15 minutes plus 25, this will be 6:25. So 15 plus 25, how much minutes are there? That is 40. So journey is 8 hours 40 minutes. D is the right answer here. Okay. Next is, a stick is painted with 3 colors. The blue portion is 1.8 meter long. The orange portion this meter long. This meter longer than blue portion. Okay. And the white portion is 2 times as long as the orange portion. How long the stick will be? Look, what they are saying that, let me show you here. Here it is a stick. Okay, this will take stick. Now they are saying that the length of blue portion is 1.8 meter. Okay, and length of the orange portion is 4.7 more than the 8 meter 1.8. So this is 1.8 plus 4.7. This is blue part and this will be orange part. Okay, now third part is saying the length of white portion is double of length of orange portion. So this will be much longer than this. The white portion will be twice double of this part, this value. Okay, let's check what is the value of this. Here it is blue. For B we will put 1.8. For orange we will put 1.8 plus 4.7. So this will be 6.5. So orange will be 6.5. Now this will, white portion is the double of orange. So 6.5 multiplied by 2. So 6.5 into 2, that is 5 to the 10, 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. After 1 digit it is a point here, then it will be point here. So white portion is 13.0. Okay. Now they are saying that what is the total length of stick. So for what total length of stick we will add all this portion. So this is 8, 5, 13. Sorry, 8, 5, 13. 1 carrying here. So it is 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 1 again carrying here. 2. That is 21.3. Okay. 21.3 meter is the length of the stick. Let's check options. Here 20 is the right answer here. 21.3 is the length of the stick. Next is 3 cup of rice of the same weight. Okay. And weight is 930 gram. 1 glass of rice weight 300 gram. How much lighter is 1 glass of rice than 1 cup of rice? Dekho, 3 cup of rice of the same weight equal to 930 and 1 glass of rice weight is 300. So 3 cup has weight 930. So 1 cup has 930 divided by 3. Okay, so let's divide. Divide will be here. Do 930, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 0 will be go there. Okay, so 1 cup has how much weight? 310 grams. Okay, and glass weight is 300 gram. They are saying how much lighter is 1 glass of rice than 1 cup of rice. Okay, so 1 cup of rice is 310 gram and 1 glass of rice is 300 gram. So we will subtract it because we have to check that how much it is lighter. So it is 10 gram lighter. Okay, so D is the right answer here. Next question is, water tank had 60 liter 350 ml of water. What is the capacity of tank if 5 liter 500 ml more water it can hold? Look, a water tank can hold this and this liter of water, 60 liter or 350 ml. Okay, we will write like this, 60.350. Now the capacity of tank of 5 liter, this is liter part, 0.500 liter. Okay, so capacity of tank is increased, more water it can be hold. So let's check. That will be 65 liter 850 milliliter. This part is liter and this part is ml. So 65 liter 850 ml. B part is the right answer here. Okay. Next part is, subtract 0.987 kg from this kg. Okay. 8.145 kg is subtract 0.987. Okay. So let's check. Here carrying 1, 8. Here 3, 13 minus 8, 5. Here it is 10. Now 10 9 minus 9, 1. And this is carrying, it is also carrying from here. So it is 7 now. 7.158 kg is the right answer here. So A is the right answer. Okay. Next is 888.97 DAG is same as, देखो 888.97 DAG. Okay. So what is the it will be changed into mg cg where. Okay. So let's check how will change. 1 DAG is equal to, actually 1 DAG is equal to, that is 1000 cg. Okay. So it is 888.97. We will multiply it by 1000. Okay. So I told you that how to remove decimal. Remove decimal here and here 2 digits. So we will put 100 here. 0 to 20 to 20 cut. Okay. 10 has been left. So this will be 888.970. Okay. So this will be the answer. 888.970 cg. Okay. So where we have 888.970 cg, we don't have. So what we will do? None of these is the right answer here. 9 ka D. Next is, if A is equal to this meter and divide by 4, B this meter divide by 4 and C this meter divide by 4, then A plus B minus C is equal to, देखो A is equal to 56.36 divided by 4. Okay. I am removing decimal here, that will be 100 now. I am going to cut this by 4 because it can be divided by 4. You can check this. 5636. Okay, divide by 4. So here 4 ones are 4, 16. 4 fours are 16. Here 3 is coming down, but it is cannot be divided, so we will put 0 here. So 6 is down. So 4 9s are 36. Okay. So this is finished. So it will be cut by like this: 1409 divide by 100, and there's 2 digits, so we will put decimal here. So 14.09 is the value of A. Now we will check the value of B. That is 124 meter divide by 4. Okay. So let's check. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Okay, you can divide this in the rough paper like this. I'm doing this here. 124 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 is carrying here, 4 1s are 4. So 31 here. Okay, and C, let's check C part. C is 3.84 divided by 4. So again I'm removing decimal here, that's putting 100 here. So here now 384 divided by 4, 384 divided by 4, 4 9s are 36, 2 is remainder, 4 6s are 24. Okay, so it will be 96 divided by 100. Okay, here 2 digits are here, so I will put before 2 digit dot, so it will be 0.96. Now what we have to do? We have to do A plus B minus C. Okay, so value of A is 14.09 and B value is 31. Okay, so 31, we both add of them, A or B added. So this is 9, 0.4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 1 4, 45.09. Now we have to subtract it from C. C is 0.96. So 45.09 subtract from this 96 subtract from the 45.09. So 9 minus 6 3, 1 carrying here, 10 minus 9 1, here it is 4 left. So 44.13 is the answer of this equation. Okay, so 44.13 meter, C is the right answer. Here you can see that this is answer. Okay, got it. Now 10th question is like this. Next question is, Anupriya uses 33.25 liter of milk in 2 weeks. What is the daily consumption of milk in Anupriya's house? 33.25 liter milk in 2 weeks. 2 weeks matlab 14 days. Okay, so in 14 days she has been consumed this much milk. So for 1 day how much she will be consumed? We will divide this, then we will get the answer. Now I am removing first decimal here. Divide this 33 to 5 by 14. 14 2s are 28. 5 left here, 2. 14 3s are 42. 1 0 left, 5 is here. Now 14 7s are 96. Okay, 7 remainder here. Okay, now we will put point here and 0 here. So 14 5s are 70. So after dividing this, we will have 237.5 divided by 100. Here it is 100. Already dot is here. 400 we will put dot, make it before 2 dot, do 2 digit again. So say this is 1, this is 2, then dot will be at 2.375, because 5 before 5 it is already dot, so we will take more 2 digit, so it will 37 we will take, so 2.375. So 2.375 liter is the answer here, because the unit is in liter, we will take liter here. So D is the right answer, 2.375 liters. So D is right answer. Next is, if the temperature shown on the given thermometer is this, more than that the actual temperature, then actual temperature is, look at the thermometer. Here it is 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. I told you that how to calculate these digits in previous question. Okay, there will be 5 small lines. We will take every line as 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, like this. So here it is 98 degrees Celsius. It is 15 degree more than the actual temperature. So we will subtract 15 from here. This will be 83. Okay. So 83 was the actual temperature in the room, 83 degrees Celsius. Okay, so C is right answer. Next is, Manju spent this on a necklace and this on a bracelet. How much total money she spent? So 451.05, 138.52. This is 75819538415. 589.57. A is the right answer here. Question 14 is, a person works 35 hours 35 minutes in a week. So find the duration of his daily work. देखो 35 hours or 35 minutes. Okay, तो पहले तो we will change into minute all the data. Okay, so 35 hours we will multiply by 60, then we will get the minutes. So here minutes are 16 5s are 0, we will put here 6 5s are 30, 3 6 3s are 18, and 3 21. So 2100 minutes for this hour, and 35 already given here. So 2100 plus 35, that is equal to total 2135 minutes. Okay, and now they are saying that it is for weekly data and they want daily. So for daily, what we will do, we will divide it by 7. So 2135 divided by 7. Let's check what we will get here. I will show you here. 2135, 7 3s are 21. देखो, here nothing is left, so we will carry here. We can't carry without putting 0 here. So 0 will put here, then we will carry this digit also here. So 7 5s are 35. Okay, so it is 305 minutes daily. Okay, this is daily duration. So we will change into minute also, hour also. So 305, if I want to change in hour, then what we will do, I will do divide by 60, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So for 60 minutes it is equal to 1 hour. So let's divide by 60. 305, 60, 65s are 300. So 5 is left. It means this is 5 hours 5 minutes. Okay, remainder 5 is showing 5 minutes. So 5 hours 5 minutes is the answer here. Okay, for hours and 4 minutes it is 305 minutes. So let's check option A, 305 minutes, right. B, 5 hour 5 minutes, it is also right. B, 315 minutes, wrong. So both A and B are the right answer here. So D is the right answer. Next is, select the correct option if degree Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 59. Okay, 20 degrees Celsius is equal to this. So let's check. Okay, here it is 20 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit is the 68 Fahrenheit. 68 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So this is 68 minus 32, it is 8 minus 2, 6, and 6 minus 3, 3. 36 into 5 by 9. 9 4s are 36 and 5 4s are 20. So here it is 20 degrees Celsius, here it is also 20 degree. So it means they are right, they are equal. It means this is right. Now 89 degree plus 15 degree Celsius is equal to 103. 89 plus 15, it is equal to 104 degrees Celsius, not free. Okay, so this is wrong answer. 203.8 minus this is equal to 49.8. So let's check. 203 minus 8 minus 154.9 Fahrenheit. So this is one carrying here 9 to 12 is here. 12 minus 4 8. Here it is 9. 9 minus 5 4. So 48.9, no, this is 49.8 given. This is also wrong. Right will be 48.9. So none of these no, because A is the right answer here. So 15A. Next is a jar hold 4 liter this milliliter of juice. If a small glass of capacity 325 ml is used to serve, then how many people can be served with juice? देखो, a jar holds 4 liter 875 ml. 4 liter 875 ml. If small glass of capacity this is used to serve, so first we have to change into ml, because we will distribute into ml. Okay, so 4 liter, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter equal to 4000 ml. Okay, so here it is now 875 ml. So 4000 plus 875 added here, ml is given here. So it will be 5, 7, 8 and 4. Okay, 4875 ml. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this by 325. Okay, so let's check. 4875 divided by 325. 325 ones are 325. So this is 2, 8 minus 2, 6, and this is 1. Now 5 is carrying from here. So 325 5s are, that is 25, 2, 5 is a 10 plus 2, 12, carrying 1, 5 is 15 plus 1, 16. So it means for 325 5s are 1625. So right answer is 15 glass can be filled with this liter of milk. Okay, D is right answer. Next, Akshay drove 51.210 km on Saturday, 75.65 km on Sunday. How many less kilometer did he drop on Saturday? देखो, this on Saturday, this on Sunday. So on Sunday it was 74.65. On Saturday it was 51.210. Nothing, it is 0. So we will subtract it. 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 6, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, 3.44. Okay, 0 we can take, or we will leave it also. So 2.344 kilometer is the right answer here. Next is Mrs. Shreya had 50 meter of cloth. She cut smaller piece and then each of length 250 centimeter from it. How many piece can she cut? देखो, Miss Shreya had 50 meter cloth. 250 centimeter she will be cut. So we will change this into centimeter first. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We know that. We will multiply it by 100, then we will change it to centimeter. It will be 5000 centimeters. Now she have to cut into 250. Then we will divide and check how much clothes she can be cut, or how much piece she can be cut. 5000 divided by 250. So here 252s are 500. Okay, 0 is left here, so we will put 0 this here. So there 20 such clothes she can be cut from the 250 from the cloth 500 centimeter, and of the sizes 250 centimeter she can cut 20 clothes. D is the right answer here. Okay, next is Rima pours 4 liter this ml of lemonade equally into 11 glasses. How much lemonade is there in each glass? So देखो, this is glasses weight is total Rima pour this much liters, okay, into 11 glasses. Obviously glasses are holding in ml, not in liters, so we will change this into ml. 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. I told you that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, so we will 4 liter will be 4000 ml, and 510 ml extra also here it is. So 510 ml also, so this will be 4510 ml. Okay, it will be holding 11 glasses, so let's divide with 11 and check how much glasses can be filled. 11 fours are 44. 11 ones are 11. 0 is shifted here. So 410 ml will be in each glass. Okay, A is right answer. Next is there is the total cost of 5 chair and 3 table is this. If cost of 1 table is this, then cost of 1 chair is, देखो total cost of 5 chair 5C plus 3 tables is the 4608.15. If cost of 1 table is 1, देखो 1 table cost is 451.30. So 3 table will be cost, 3T will be cost, 3 into 451.30. We will multiply it by 3. Remove dot here. Multiply this 300. Okay, and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 carrying here, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So 13 135,390. Okay, and here 2 digit for the in the denominator, then we will put before 2 point decimal. So answer will be 1353.90. Okay, so here it is the cost of 3 table, that is 1353.90. Okay, so if we subtract this table price into the total price, then we will get the 5 chair price. So here it is 4608.15, then 4608.15, and cost of chair is the 1353.90. 1353.90. So let's check after subtracting what is the value of the chairs. 11 minus 9 2, 7 minus 3 4, 10 minus 5 5, 5 minus 3 2, and 4 minus 1 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the cost of 5 chairs. 5 chairs has this cost 325 4.25. So 1 chair we will divide it by 5. 325 4.25 divide by 5. So let's divide it. 3254.25. 5 6 are 30. 2 5 5 sides are 25. Then 4 is carrying here. Okay, so 4, or we cannot put the value second digit, so we will put 0 here, then it will be 2 again. 5 8s are 40. 2 5 is carrying again, 5 5s are 25. So you can see this is the result, but here the decimal is put it before 2 digit, so we will put same decimal here before 2 digit. So answer will be 650.85 for 1 chair. Okay, 650.85 for 1 chair. D is the right answer here. Next is, on a certain day the temperature of Srinagar is this and the temperature of Guwahati is this. Which state is hotter than how much? देखो, this is the bigger temperature, this is a smaller temperature, so obviously the state which has much temperature, it will be hot. So which will be hot? Guwahati will be hot. How much? Let's check. 24.8 minus 8.1, that is 8 minus 1 7, 14 minus 8 6, and 1 16.7 degree Celsius. It is denoted in degree Celsius. So Guwahati 16.7 degree Celsius is hot. So B is right answer here. Question 22 is, Arpit's sister is 5 years 7 months younger than him. If age of Arpit 5 year, hence 13 year, then her sister age after 3 year is, देखो, Arpit age after 5 year it will be 13 year. It means today it is 13 minus 5, that is 8 year. Now Arpit is 8 year old and Arpit's sister is 5 years 7 months younger than him. So let's check. 5 years 7 months younger, so 8 year minus 5 year, that is 3 years. Okay, now they are talking about month. So in years we will change into month. 1 year month we will change. Okay, so it will be 2 year, and here it is 12 month in a year, and 7 will be subtract, then 5 will be left. So 2 year 5 month will be the age of his sister. Okay, now after 3 years what will be age? 2 year 5 month is now. Then after 3 year it will be 5 year 5 month. Okay, got it? How we will calculate this? Yes, 5 year 5 months. So this is the right answer here, D. Okay, next is, a taxi charge this rupees of a journey of 65 km. What would be the charge for 70 km? देखो, 9880 चार्जेस फॉर द 65 किलोमीटर. तो फिर 1 किलोमीटर का कितना होगा, दैट इज डिवाइड बाय 1. तो 65 डिवाइड बाय दिस, देन वी विल गेट 1 किलोमीटर चार्ज. 65 1s are 65. 8 minus 5 3 and 9 minus 6 is 3 again. This is 8. So the here 6 5s are 30. So it means it will be almost at 30 or 5s are 6s are. So 65 5s are 6 30 plus 2 32. Okay, so it will be 65 5s are 325. So 8 minus 5 3, 3 minus 2 1 and 0 is carrying here. So 65 2s are 130. Okay, so 152 is the 1 kilometer charge. Okay, 1 kilometer charge is 152. So 70 kilometer charge is 0. 7 2s are 14. 1 carrying here. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. 3 carrying here. 7 plus 3 10. So 10640. This is the right answer here. 24. A shopkeeper mixes 4.75 kg of raisin and 0.75 kg of cashew in a sack. Then he equally packs the mixture into 11 packets. What is the weight of each packet? देखो 4.75 kg raisin and 0.75 kg cashew. तो add both of them. 15 1 तो 5.50 kilogram he is totally packing. तो one packet is carrying how much? Total 11 packets are here. तो 5.50 divided by 11. Okay, तो 11 5s are 55. And 0 is carrying here, but here before 2 digit it is a point, then we will put here this is point. Okay, this is 0.50 kg or 1 kg equal to how much gram? That is 100 gram, sorry 1000 gram. So what will be the value? 0.50 into 1000, then we will change into gram. So it will be 100 is here, 0 to 0 cut, 0 to 0 cut, this will be 500 gram left. Okay, so 500 gram is the right answer here. Next is a doctor advised Meera to take 6 tablespoons of medicine in a day. If the capacity of 1 tablespoon is 19 ml, then the quantity of medicine Meera take in 10 days is 1 tablespoon of is 19 ml and the quantity of medicine Meera take in the 10 days. So it will be 19 into 10 days. But how many spoons daily she is taking? Advised to make 6 tablespoons. Okay, 1 tablespoon this, so 6 tablespoon is 6 into 19 into 10. Okay, so 16 19 6 are, so here it is 19 ml, so we will take here ml unit. So 1140 ml is the answer here, but here 1140 is not given answer, but it is changing into after changing into ml, but later it will be 1140 divided by 100, then we will get the value in liters. So this is 0 this, so 1 liter and 14 or 140 ml is the milk is here, medicine is here. So 1 liter 140 ml, D is the right answer here. Question 26 is read the following statement carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1, this DL equal to this HL. Look, 1 DL is equal to 1000 HL. Okay, so this DL 21005 we will divide it by 1000, then we will convert into HL. Then here it is 30, so we will put before 3 digit decimal 21.005 HL. So first part is true. Okay, statement 2, 5170 gram is equal to 5.710 gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram again. So here 5170 gram we will change into kilogram, so we will divide it by 1000. So it will be 3 digit, before 3 digit we will put the decimal. So 5.170 kilogram is the, so here you can see that it is 5.170 kg, but it is given in 5.710 kg. So this statement is false. So first statement is true and second statement is false. C is the right answer here. Next is compare the fill in the boxes. This decimeter 9 centimeter, decimeter centimeter is equal to this and this. So we will add both of them. 8 decimeter 9 centimeter, 20 decimeter 6 centimeter. It will be 29.5. Okay, now 29 decimeter and 5 centimeter. Now this 38 decimeter 0.8 centimeter or 10 decimeter 2 centimeter, we have to subtract 8 minus 2 6, and this is 8, and this is 3 minus 1 2. So 28.6 is this value. So is it equal or greater than? देखो ये 29.5 है and this value is 28.6. So which one is bigger? This one is bigger, so the sign will be like this. Okay, this part is the bigger. Now 19 kg 500 gram minus 15 kg 650. 19.500 minus 15.650. So let's check. Subtract, to 10 minus 5 5, 14 minus 6 8, here 8 minus 5 3, so 3.856. This part is 3.856, and this part 55.800, 55.800 minus 23.750. So it will be 0, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 3 2, and 5 minus 2 3. 32.050. So which one is greater, 3.836 or 32.050? Then it will be this greater. Okay, so what we will do, we will sign would be here. Okay, third 23 kiloliter and 45 liter minus this. So here we will put 123.45 minus 65.250. Okay, so what we will the value, 0 0 422, 13 minus 5 is 8, and here it is 1, 11 minus 6 is 5. So 58.200 is the first part. Second part is 55.8. Here I will do 55.8 and 23 minus 0.750. So here it will, I will put 0 here. So 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 3 2, 5 minus 2 1. So here it will be 12.050. So this value is bigger, this is smaller, so we will put sign here. So sign will, answer will be like this, this and this. So which answer is here? This, 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 and again this. So A is the right answer here only. Okay. Next is this and this. Matlab five cauliflowers, and here it is cabbage. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and 20 cabbage. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 cabbage equal to 540. So 20 kg equal to 20 cabbage equal to देखो 6 cabbage equal to 540 gram. 540 gram 6 cabbage. So 1 cabbage equal to 6 by 540, that will be 90 gram. Okay. Here 20 cabbage are here, so 90 gram is 1 cabbage. So 20 cabbage are 20 into 90, that will be 90 already written here. So this is 1800 gram. Okay, and this is equal to 5 cauliflower. So 5 cauliflower weight is 1800 gram. So 1 cauliflower weight is 1 divided by 5, that is, this is 1 cabbage weight, sorry 20 cabbage weight, not 1 cabbage, and 1800 divided by 5, that is 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 0. So 360 gram of 1 cabbage is here. Okay, here 90 gram of cabbage and 360 gram of cauliflower is here. Cauliflower. Okay, so they are asking 15 cauliflower weight. One is 360. So 360 into 15, 9 carrying is 54. This is 5400 gram for the 15 cauliflower, or 3 cauliflower. 360 here into 3, that is 0, 3 6 are 18, carrying 1, 3 9 3 are 9 and 1 10, 1 0 10 0. So 5400 and 1010 is the D is the right answer here. Okay, so question 29 is Prem went to a shop, saw the below offer on various items. Which offer should he take? 72 diya for 1800 and 48 diya for 1500. Look, 72 are 1800 and 1500 for 48. Look, price difference is only 300, but diyas are double. So what we will do? What he will do? Almost double they are. So it will be best offer P. Okay, so Q offer P is better than offer Q, right? And offer Q is better than offer P. No, P is the better offer. Here offer P is the same as offer Q. No, they are different. Can't be determined, can determine, because it is almost in the 300 plus, almost double diyas I will be getting. So A is the right answer here. Next, last question is that Anjali has 500 with her. She goes to the market and purchases the following items. How much money she is left with her after shopping this? 15.75, 50.30, 157.80 and 220.55. The total she spent is 5, 510, 1, 7, 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 119 plus 24, 2 carrying here, 5, 2, 7, 7, 7, 14, 1 carrying here, 2 or 10, 12, 13, 14, 1 carrying here, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So 44, 444.40 is the money she spent. Now she has total 500 rupees, okay, and 44.40 she spent. Then how much she left? 0, 10 minus 4 is 6. Here it is 9, here it is 9. So 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. This is 4 minus 4, 0. So 55.60. 55.60 money she has been left. A is right answer here. So kids, here we learn about the chapter 4, that is measurements. Repeat this video, learn all the questions and their option also. And please learn all the methods to solve the questions. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KBS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.